If you're new to the idea of printables, then you can search directly for printables under Canva templates just to see the variety available. Now, if you're interested in a certain type of printable like meal planners, these are really great for health, food, and fitness industry. So you can just add your own branding elements to these guys with your own color theme or logos. And then I also searched for monthly planners. These are really high ticket printables on places like Etsy, Creative Market, or even your own e-commerce shop. This comes out with anything to do with planning and organizing. You can also search for calendar templates. These are really great for, again, places like Etsy, and even for your own self if you don't want to sell them. You won't have to date them yourself, all the calendars then. You can just grab the template from here. You could also go for goal planners. Those are really popular for lead magnets, whether it's a monthly, weekly, or daily goal planner or to-do list. Just customize them with your own industry topics, such as an Instagram marketing to-do list. Also, if you're selling to parenting audience, then coloring pages are very popular that you can customize. I found this one really nice. I haven't used this for myself, but I think for parenting, it's going to be useful. If you do any sort of teaching, then lesson plan templates will be your go-to. You can also use these for workshops or webinars. If you're trying to make printables editable, this is the best way to do it. Now for this one, I used a template and I added my own months to them. And then you can duplicate each page to change the months. Now here's where things get interesting. You can download the first page as a PDF file. You don't have to download all of them. Once you've downloaded your file, go to pdfescape.com and just drop your file there. Go to the form field section and hit text for text box. And then you can just drag a new text box anywhere you like. Right-click the text box to get properties if you want to make it multi-line or not visible when it prints, and your alignment. You can also change the font size from here and then click in the box to check if it's the right size for you. Now I'm just going to quickly edit this and add all the text box fields and checkboxes I need in here. Now you need to save the other ones as images, not PDFs, if you want to make them bulk editable. Okay, now back to PDF Escape. You need to add the images one by one into this PDF. Now just click anywhere and then stretch it out to full screen. And now when you save it, it's going to save all the text boxes and checkboxes that I had already in there. For more Canva related content, you can follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.